iPhone, you're not so great, I am so much more efficient.
Well, at least I come with the preloaded YouTube app, so there's BlackBerry.
First off, M1X's hottest phone in stores right now while you're not big news anymore.
Well, at least I'm not a nerd who wears glasses and can't even play music or music videos.
Well, you got me there, but at least I'm not made by Apple, the company whose machines break down so easily.
I do not break easily unless you're stupid enough to drop me. And at least I can be customized with different skins.
New, they're still doing crap like that for me.
Well, why don't you have your own website and smartphone?
Fine, you win, but I'll be back.
To be continued.